In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check domain authority on Semrush. Before we dive in, a quick note on terminology. Many people say domain authority, but on Semrush, you'll see this metric labeled as authority score. It's a 0 to 100 score that estimates the overall strength and trustworthiness of a domain based on factors like backlink quality, organic traffic, and spam indicators. Higher is generally stronger, but remember, it's a comparative indicator, not a guarantee of rankings. Start on your Semrush homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your hub for all tools, and it's the quickest way to reach the reports we need. If your dashboard looks slightly different, don't worry. Semrush updates its interface from time to time, but the core navigation remains familiar. From the main navigation, click SEO. This opens the suite of SEO tools and reports grouped together so you can quickly analyze domains, keywords, and backlinks. We're interested in the high-level picture of a website's strength, which lives in the next section. Choose Domain Overview. Think of Domain Overview as a snapshot of a website's visibility and authority. It consolidates key metrics in one place, so you can immediately see how a site is performing without running multiple reports. This is where Semrush calculates and displays the authority score front and center. In the search bar at the top, type your domain and click Search. For the most accurate overall score, use the root domain like example.com rather than a single page URL. If you manage subdomains, you can also enter those to see how they perform individually. But keep in mind the score will reflect just that subdomain. Double-check your spelling and the domain extension before you run the search so you get the correct data set. After the report loads, look for authority score near the top of the page. You'll usually see it alongside complementary metrics, such as backlinks and referring domains. The score updates as Semrush processes new data, so it can change over time. If your site is new, a lower score is common. As you build high-quality backlinks, publish useful content, and earn mentions from reputable sites, that score can rise. Compare your score against direct competitors in your niche to understand where you stand, and focus on steady improvement rather than chasing perfection. That's all there is to it. Homepage, SEO, domain overview, enter your domain, and read the authority score. Use it as a quick benchmark for site strength and as a guide for your ongoing SEO strategy.